Ma'am, habang lumalapit yung eleksyon, ma'am, tumitindi yung personal na panggigipit. Sa tingin nyo, babaliktad din po ang lahat?
Kaya nga sinasabi ko kanina, sir, nandyan yung tao. I mean, tagalin man nila si former President Duterte sa equation sa midterm elections, nandyan yung taong bayan at lumalakas yung block voting ng PDP 9 candidates. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, mag-ingat kayo sa election cheating. Matindi ito.
Ma'am, do you consider din po mga...
Since tapos na po yung alliance niyo with President Marcos, may we know kung meron bang discussion before, during the campaign, tungkol dito sa ganitong issue na to? Kung you ask President Marcos, meron bang promise or get not over?
About the ICC?
Yes.
We did not discuss anything about the
Were there
ICC.
discussions before this?
No, with President Marcos, no. There were no discussions with President Marcos except that I wrote him a letter and then he replied regarding the ICC and that there will be no cooperation with the ICC. I will release that letter.
Ma'am, bukod kay ES Medaldea, sino ba kasama niyo sa plane?
Ako hindi ko alam. Sorry. Alam ko lang yung mga hindi nakasama sa plane, yung nasa labas.
Kasama si Kitty. O, hindi kasama.
Nandoon si Kitty sa labas. Yes.
And Common Law kayo nasa labas.
Yes, si Hanilet nandoon din sa labas.